If you need to reset the infotainment system in your Mitsubishi Outlander, start with a simple, soft reboot. Turn the vehicle on or switch to accessory mode so the screen has power. Then press and hold the audio or power button for about 10-15 seconds until the display goes black and restarts. This quick reset often fixes freezing, lag, or minor glitches without deleting your saved data. If the screen is completely unresponsive, you can perform a harder reset by turning the ignition off, disconnecting the negative battery terminal for about a minute, and then reconnecting it. That step clears temporary faults but may reset some vehicle settings. Another option is using the built-in factory reset through the System menu by going into Settings, then System, and selecting Restore Defaults. Keep in mind, this erases paired phones, save stations, and navigation favorites. After any reset, allow the unit a few moments to fully reload before testing Bluetooth, radio, and backup camera functions. If problems continue, check related fuses or ask a dealer to scan for software updates or module issues.